الحمد لله وحده والصلاة والسلام على من لا نبي بعده وعلى آله وأصحابه أجمعين ومن تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين. قال الله تعالى في قرآن المجيد: ومن أحسن قولا ممن دعا إلى الله وعمل صالحا وقال إنني من المسلمين. أما بعد. Respected scholars and honorable guests, dear brothers and my loved teachers, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I would like to speak about the importance of learning both Arabic and English language across the world. Dear audience, Arabic is the language chosen by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for the Holy Quran. It is key to understanding the Quran, Hadith, Fiqh and original sources of Islamic knowledge. Without a strong Arabic skills, it is difficult to fully understand Islam in its pure and original form. Dear brothers, Islam is a message for all humanity, not just one nation. To convey this message to the world today, we must communicate in English. It is the most widely used language in international communication, education and media. Dear listeners, Arabic helps us understand Islam correctly, while English helps us explain Islam clearly. Without Arabic, our dawah may lack depth, and without English, our dawah may lack reach. So, may Allah grant us the ability to seek beneficial knowledge and use it for the service of His deen. Jazakumullahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.